Do you have hooded eyes or droopy eyelids? The product you have been waiting for is here. It is the newest eye product in the City Beauty lineup, and I am loving it. It's the lid lifting treatment, and it is going to help reduce the sagginess and lift the eyelids. It's like a push-up bra for your eyes. It's going to moisturize and hydrate. When applied from the lash line up to the brow bone, it's also going to act as a primer for any of your eyeshadows. And when 92% of participants saw instant and long-term results, you know it's a must-have.